You mentioned basically these document automation platforms, they, exist because there is all this paper, there is all this document. Now in a far future, isn't there the vision that a lot of this processing happens without the physical medium in between, without the paper? So that as these tools get better and better, they are making themselves kind of like redundant in the long run?
In the long run, yeah. I mean, as a CEO of a company that basically helps to automate that, I hope that most of our communication will become standardized by APIs and there's no paper in between and so on. And there are like now in Germany, like these digital invoices, digital recipes and all. Right? So there are a lot of initiatives, but at the same time we see, and this is now heuristic, the number of paper that insurances receive and so on also goes up.
Yeah.
So there seems to be a mechanism where companies become more complex, the processes become more complex, and if there's no strict governing against it, people start to create all these processes like another form here, another like send me an email here or make this. It's so easy to now contact insurance and so on. So I think more processes come in and we will never have a constant equilibrium where everything is the communication between customer and the invoice is highly structured.
Okay. So as a physicist, entropy is going up like usual.
Entropy is going up for sure. So that's why I'm not fearing that too much. I'm more fighting against entropy, and I'm myself a fan of like making everything digital and also standardizing all the communication. But I see at the same time from the way parents, grandparents, and so on communicate, and also us sometimes, it will never be perfectly structured. Yeah. And even if you solve it for one thing, other problems come up that are not like fully solved with a 10-year digitization project that has the perfect API and so on. So people want to move fast, and maybe the fastest answer is to just put a form online and say, just send me in the form. And then, over time, these processes blow up, and then you have another more or less.
I think it's also like, right, the way how companies get successful, right? Maybe, they're starting quick and dirty, right? Let's just put out one form and this is our way of doing it. Or let's just put together a small Excel. And then as they get overwhelmed by success, things grow, then you have this kind of legacy you kind of need to deal with. And that's probably not going to go away.